Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And we're going to show you our EasyJet InkJet heat transfer paper.
Stay tuned. And we're back. So today in this video, we are going to be working with our EasyJet paper. This is a heat transfer paper for dark colored fabric. So let's get started.
Okay, we did use our Epson Workforce to print this because it is a pigment dye printer. So here's our design. We can do one of two things. You can either cut using a cutter, or you can use your scissors to eliminate that white border. So today we're just going to use our scissors. And I'm just going to cut a fun shape around it because it will leave that white border. All right, there we go. And note that when printing this, you do not print in reverse because you will actually lift this off of the carrier sheet. And I'm just going to use my weeder just to pull it off. There we go.
Okay, thank you. So we are going to be using our Hotronix Fusion today. And I already have pre-pressed my shirts. We would highly recommend pre-pressing your garment before pressing to get any moisture or wrinkles out of the garment. And then we're just going to set appropriately on the press. Smooth any wrinkles out there as well. We're going to place our image face up, so the adhesive is face down on the garment. And we are going to cover with a piece of silicone. Today we are pressing at 365 degrees for 25 seconds at a medium to heavy pressure. Okay, so we are going to remove immediately, and then with the silicone, you're just going to remove just very carefully, just in case it got stuck. Okay, and we're just going to set it to the side to cool for just a second. And now you have one personalized shirt. So anything else you want to add in, Meredith?
Yes, for the washability of this shirt, make sure not to use any harsh detergents. If you use cold water and do it inside out, you'll get a lot more washes out of it. And also try to avoid liquid fabric softener.
Yes. And please be sure to check out instructions online at coastalbusiness.com, and we'll see you next time.